Carry up to 2 electric bikes safely from any car with the Hyperax Volt ECO. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Let's check out what the Hyperax Volt ECO has to offer. Specs and features. For all those who love a good puzzle, the assembly isn't exactly straightforward. The manual is in color, but some parts are kind of left to the imagination. Made out of high tensile steel, the Hyperax Volt ECO is designed for 2 60-pound bikes with a max load capacity of 120 pounds. Suitable for SUV, trucks, or sedans, it's compatible with any vehicle using a 2-inch receiver and locks easily with a hitch hole finder and anti-wobble pin. These soft, spongy cladding hooks, as they're referred to, secure your bike in place without scratching the paint, while adjustable wheel holders cradle your bike safely. There's also a key lock to prevent anyone from stealing your bikes when unattended. You've also got reflective Velcro wheel straps that not only provide additional security, but also extra visibility at night. It's rated to hold any 2 bikes as long as they're under 120 pounds combined weight limit, don't exceed the maximum 58-inch wheelbase limit, and tires aren't more than 5 inches thick. Remove the safety pin and the whole rack can be tilted for easy trunk access. Make sure you're secured and you're good to go. When not in use, the Hyperax Volt ECO folds up discreetly, can be carried by a handle, and has integrated wall mount hooks for easy storage. So what do we like about the Hyperax Volt ECO? Unlike the Pro Bike Tool tailgate pad we covered last week, you don't need a pickup truck in order to bring your bikes with you. And it's sturdy enough to keep the sensitive parts of an e-bike safe, even during bumpy drives. So what don't we like? Apart from the confusing assembly, we don't really have any complaints. So what do you need to know before you go online and buy one? This one's important. If you've got an RV or any Class B vehicle or bigger, the Hyperax Volt ECO is not recommended for use. At the risk of your precious bikes, don't try it. They do have another model for RVs called the Volt RV e-bike rack. Link is in the description and up on the top right. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Hyperax Volt ECO? We're giving it a score of 8 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for $299.95. Or you can enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.